morning, and today is Friday. I'm so excited that today is Friday. Oh my gosh. So that by tomorrow, that is Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to use it to relax myself without any stress. So today that is Friday, and this is 7 o'clock. I woke up around 6:30. I made my bed, you can see, and also cleaned the kitchen and a little bit of the toilet. So now I just want to make a stew so that when I'm back from work, I'm going to be eating that for evening food. That will be my evening food. But I've had breakfast already. So tomorrow I'm going to be losing my hair so that I can be able to wash it and plait it on Sunday. But right now, let me quickly go and start cooking my stew because I have to go to work by 9 o'clock. So right now it is 7 o'clock. Then I have to be fast. I have 1 hour and some minutes left so that I can be able to do what I want to do. But one thing that is bothering me is that my water is not flowing very well. So for me to have my bath, I have to boil my water and have my bath because the water is not flowing because of the work that they are doing. So right now, let me just stop talking and let me dive into this video. This is everywhere after I did it up this morning. So I'm going to be making my stew here. I washed the pot because I used the pot to boil my fish and my meat that I'm going to be using to cook my stew today. So last night I boiled this, I fried this fish and meat and chicken. So this is the water that I'm going to boil to have my bath because I can't have my bath with cold water. So right now I'm going to be cooking the stew here, and this is the oil, the granite oil that I used yesterday, and this is the only one I have right now at this moment. So right now let me start cooking. This is the bathroom. I just cleaned it a few minutes ago, just a little tidy up. So this is the water that I'm going to use to have my bath because the water is not flowing that much. I'm going to add a little bit of water over there also. So this is what I'm talking about. The water is just flowing a little bit, and this can't be enough to pump the hot water. So look at the stew. Once I'm back, I'm going to recook it again because right now I'm already late and it's almost 8:30. So guys, I'll be back by 4 o'clock. So I'm so, you know what, I feel so excited because my workplace is not far from my home at all. 7 minutes I'm already there. So like I said earlier, I'm supposed to be there by 9 o'clock. So, and the time is 8:35. So I still have few minutes to be there. So I normally take the bus. If the bus is fast, like the Puma, the bus, if the bus is fast, I'll be there like 5 to 6 minutes. But once the bus is so slow, I'll be there in 10 minutes. So that is why I'm always excited, because my workplace is not far at all. So let me pack my hair and get my jacket, although it's not cold outside, but I need to get my jacket on whether it's cold or not. So yeah, I'm ready, guys. So yeah, see you guys when I'm back. Guys, I forgot my mask. Jonah? I forgot my mask. Oh my gosh, can you see the reality? This is so bad, guys. After I've gone downstairs, now I'm going upstairs to take my mask. Can you see that? So bad. So here is my mask. This is the reality of putting on a mask. This is the second time that I'm coming down. Just imagine. There is nobody, enough people outside. So, oh my gosh. So, they cut down that tree. And see, I'm late. I'm still filming. Very bad. So guys, I'm done. I'm going home. I don't know why. I don't know why this place is dark. But I'm going home to take my bus. So guys, I'm back. I bought 2 water. I'm back, guys. I'm so tired. Look at my face, guys. I'm really tired. Yeah, I'm so famished, guys. I'm really famished. So look at the time. What is the time? see, the time is 4 16 minutes after 4. So like I said before, my workplace is not far from where I live. So now I'm going to make something to eat because I'm really famished, guys. I'm so hungry. Cook it again, then make some rice. I'm going to be making rice now, and I'll fry a little bit of plantain, maybe yes or no, I don't know yet. But right now, as I'm talking to you guys, I'm so famished. So yeah, let me boil some rice. How you guys doing? I just removed my cap because I've been wearing it since morning. I only have 1 hour 50 minutes for me to like eat, relax before doing online school. I feel so sleepy right now. Okay guys, talk to you guys later, or talk to you guys maybe tomorrow, because this is going to be week vlog. Tomorrow I'm going to be washing my hair because it's really dirty. Summertime, I wanted to plait weaving, like Ghana weaving, but the stress is too much and I don't want to like spend that money if I will only wear it for 1 to 2 weeks, because I'm so allergic to itching. That is why I don't do a weave on, sewing weave on my head again, because before, when I used to sew weave on my head, that was when I don't used to wear weave on cap. My hair used to hinge a lot. I will do my hair today, by tomorrow my hair will be hinching me. That is when I stopped wearing weave on, and I decided to be wearing weave on cap. That is so easy for me to just come back and just pull it off. So I'm really so excited. But let's watch and see if I'm going to do Ghana weaving or not. If not, I will continue wearing my weave on cap. I beg, I can't keep myself. So alright guys, talk to you guys later. Hello guys, good morning. But this is Sunday. The last time I filmed was on Friday evening. So update of what has been happening since on Friday. I didn't, like, when I just came back from work, I made some rice, I ate, then I waited, I just relaxed a little bit and also watched some YouTube videos. Then after watching that, I just have to relax for like 20 minutes before finally connecting to online class. So after that, after online class, I made dinner. After making dinner, I didn't even shower at all. So I wanted to shower that night, but the water was it was cold, so I couldn't shower with that cold water, and I don't even have the strength to boil water to have my bath. And my hair also was, I didn't have the chance to wash my hair because I just feel like no need to even wash the hair because the water was cold. How am I going to do it? Hey. So on Saturday morning, I checked, the water was still the same thing. It was not flowing that much. It was flowing just a little bit. So I waited in afternoon, the same thing. Evening time, the same thing. Then I said, no. I just used the opportunity to relax and wash some clothes. So this is the one I washed during the week, because during the week, like around 11, I used to wash clothes, like during the week, like Monday, Tuesday, anytime, yeah, around 11 I will wash my clothes. So yes, last night I washed some clothes. Now today, this morning, because I woke up a few minutes ago, I'm not going to lie, this is 11 o'clock. So I just check and the water was running, the water was flowing very well. So let me go and check what's in fine. So I just checked and the water was flowing very well. I was super excited. Now I'm going to eat. Once I'm done eating right now, I'll just lose my hair and wash my hair, because since how many days that there is no hot water, I was feeling it, guys. I was actually feeling it. Boiling water to have my bath with that small plastic that before I normally have my bath for like 30 minutes. I'll take my time to have my bath, but for that past 2 days I was not having it at all. So right now the water is flowing in. Once I finish eating, I'll just lose my hair, use the opportunity to have my shower and just relax. I edited a video last week during the weekend that I wanted to post, but because I was feeling so sad, I couldn't post that video. So once I'm done doing whatever I want to do right now, I will just go and post the video. Yeah, guys, there's the updates I decided to give you guys for what has been happening. So hopefully you guys are having a good day wherever you are, and always remember to stay blessed and also remain blessed. So see you guys later. So guys, shower is done and I also washed my hair. Oh my gosh, guys, I feel so fresh right now, because for the past 2 days I've not been having my bath properly. There is nothing like shower, like the water will just be flowing directly, even though there is sun, but still yet you still need warm or hot water to like wash your body very well and to like wash your hair. So now I wash my hair. I'm just waiting for it to dry naturally before, I don't want to weave it today. Maybe tomorrow I'll just pack it and put on this stuff. Then tomorrow evening I'm going to weave it all back. So right now I'm going to post video that I'm supposed to post this week. That was maybe Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, but I didn't post it because I was not in the mood of doing anything. So right now let me post it, and yeah, talk to you guys later.